Want a home refresh without the cost of a complete renovation? Karin Bennett of Karin Bennett Designs has 3 tips now for an updated look, and we're going to update a place very close to your heart.
Yes.
Because it's part of your home.
Yes, exactly.
So we've got a room here. We've got a before.
Yeah, so basically, this is my sunroom at home. We just purchased a home back in the summer, and we wanted to do some spring refreshes, but we're not quite ready to renovate. So with borrowing rates being a little bit high, we're waiting a little bit. So with this sunroom, I decided the biggest thing I can do is paint this room. It's your biggest bang for your buck. So that's what I did. So I grabbed a can of paint, took me 2 cans, 2 coats of paint, and it was really easy. That room there is actually wallpaper. So the really cool thing is I went to my local paint store and they told me that there's this silicone product and you can actually put this silicone in the seams and I can paint over wallpaper.
So it's not going to have that wallpaper look still after the paint is on there.
Yes.
And this is like, this isn't a forever fix. This is for something for a year or 2.
Exactly.
So that you can, you know, just make it your own space.
Exactly. And for $100, really, I transformed that room. You can see the after. We went dark. We went this black paint. It's really great. One of the things with a paint is you need to get a good brush. So your best brush, just keep it good, wash it, keep it clean, and really for $100, that room was transformed.
Okay, there we go. So now we go from the walls to the floor.
Yes, so flooring is a really easy opportunity to change. You don't have to spend a lot of money. One good thing, the house that we bought was an old bungalow. So one of the opportunities to change is to use like a stick tile. So you can see it here.
Okay, that's what you're putting on there in the video.
Yeah, so this is a powder room. Again, we're gonna fully renovate, but in the meantime, we want a spring refresh. We wanna feel good about our space. So these great tiles, really inexpensive, bought them online. I think for a whole investment of $120, this space is redone. So it used to be really ugly, kind of a terracotta looking molded sort of look. And now we have this really cute, almost like European looking tile.
It looks very Portuguese tile, right? Like, because when I saw it, I thought, oh, that's a peel and stick tile.
Yes, I know. You can do these on the floor. You can also do them on your backsplash. So if you don't like your backsplash and you don't want to hire a tiler and go through all that pain and aggravation, you can put these on your backsplash and it's a really inexpensive update.
Okay, and how easy are they when you actually get set to do the reno? Are they easy to take up again?
Yes, for sure. There was actually stick tile right underneath them.
Oh,
so
okay.
Really, I have to do the work anyways, but it's a full demo in our house, so it's not too big of a deal, and it looks really great.
Okay,
really excited.
Awesome. Okay, and then this lamp.
Yes.
Where'd you get this lamp?
Yes, so one of my big tips when you're shopping and you want to do like a nice spring refresh, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, is check out the secondhand stores or your thrift stores.
Okay.
I love a thrift store. I think it's a great opportunity to find really neat, one-of-a-kind options. So for here, I was looking for a different lamp to add to my foyer. My foyer is a little dark. I didn't want to hire an electrician, so I went shopping for a great lamp. So I found this, almost like a Tiffany-looking lamp.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
I know, which would have been very expensive if it was an actual Tiffany lamp. Bought this for, I think, $12.99. So inexpensive. I put it in my hallway and it looks really great. I can use it actually functionally, lighting up my foyer in the daytime or in the nighttime, and it looks really great. And it's so inexpensive. And again, the thing you find at a thrift store is not going to be what your neighbors have, which is great.
Yes, yes. It's not going to be what everyone else on the block has. And also something too, like thinking of when you're clearing out something, don't throw it away, right? Send it to a thrift shop or donate it, because somebody else is just gonna find it and have a great love for it, and it keeps it out of the landfill.
Our trash is someone else's treasure, so I love shopping thrift stores for home goods, for clothing. You find some really great like jackets. I found an old man's blazer there, like an oversized blazer, and it looks so great, and it keeps things out of a landfill. And again, you're getting like kind of one-of-a-kind pieces that like your neighbor or your, sister aren't going to have.
Right, right. We've got about a minute left, but any other tips for people that just want that little refresh with before you do the renovation, or maybe you don't have plans for a renovation, you just want to do a little something?
Yes. A really great spring way to update during the spring, if you're feeling like you want to make your home feel a little bit more alive after our cold, our winter's been really good.
Our winter, yeah.
But after a long winter, is a faux plant or like stems. So again, here you can see these are faux. These are great. Like, we did spend a little bit of money on these, but a faux stem is amazing. And then we have these, I don't know if you think they're real or not. You'll know now.
From a distance, but yeah. That's so pretty.
A good faux, there are some not great faux, but a good faux is really great. And again, this is going to last, you know, forever. It's fun to have the great new tulips, but you know, a faux plant is a really great way to refresh your space and just makes you feel like alive for the spring.
Okay, that's awesome. All great ideas from Karin Bennett of Karin Bennett Designs. We'll get all of your socials up on our website, chch.com. There's the finished product there, chch.com/morninglive.